Okay, I just want to give you a quick tutorial because some of you seem to be having trouble getting to your assignments. So what you'll do is in Teams, we'll go to our team, or you'll go to your team, the one that we're in. So let's say it's this class right here. You'll scroll up and you'll see your assignment here, and you're going to click View Assignment. Okay, and it'll bring you to the assignment page. Sorry, my internet's really slow. It usually takes a second or two to load up. So I'll just wait a sec. And eventually you'll get to something that looks kind of like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here on the bug race for this case, but I'm going to go to a sample assignment in just a second. Okay, so depending on how I uploaded your assignment, you'll either get just the icon here, or you might actually get the printout of the assignment. So I'm going to show you the sample assignment because the helicopter challenge is going to come up like this, and you'll just need to know how to deal with that. Okay, so you should see something like this when you go into the assignment that I'm going to put up. So there's a couple ways you can deal with this. So in this case, it's a fillable PDF. So you can download the PDF and you can actually like type and then re-upload. Or what you can also do is you can just come in here and click, and you can directly type your answer. So you just double click. I don't know, let's see here. So 3.5 hours. Okay, and then you can just move it around so it fits where it needs to fit. It's not perfect, but it works okay. All right, so that's one way to deal with it. When you fill these out, I can actually like come into this page in your textbook. So depending which one of you is working on it, I can always come in and see, you know, the work that you're working on. And I can actually mark right on the page. Okay, so let's say you complete this. This way you type it all in. Okay, once it's all done, you just click submit, and then I get it on my end and I can come right into this page and work. So I'm going to show you the other way to deal with this. So let's say you want to actually fill it in on the PDF itself. Double click on there. Okay, so you need to download it to your computer or it's not going to work right. Don't work online, but these are all fillable fields. So 5 minus 1 is 4. You know, 5, oops, and so on. Okay, so you can fill that all in. You can type whatever you need to do. Okay, etc. And you might even need to upload a picture. So if you need to put a picture in here, you just click on the picture and then you browse for where you've got your pictures. So in this case, maybe it's the helicopter graph. And there it is, it's installed right in here. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to save this. Save as, I'll just save it on my desktop. Okay. Okay, so it's a PDF. So there it is. Now what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to go back into my notebook. And this is the key thing I think people are maybe having trouble with is you go to insert right on this page where you were in your assignment, and you go print out, and then you go find wherever that was, and there it is, and I click open, and it's going to upload, and there you can see that it actually uploaded with the work I typed in. It looks a little weird. I think that's probably because I was typing up in here and it downloaded before it had a chance, but yours won't look like that. So all these would be filled in. I can see this, okay, and I can see all your work. And the nice thing is that I can actually get in here and I can mark right on the page. So I can do this. Okay, so you just literally have to drag and drop this in here. All right. You can actually move stuff around too if you don't like the way it looks, you know, to help me out so I can see it right away without having to scroll around. Just pop it right up here. Okay. You know, this is in your own folder, right? It'll be in your like physics worksheet folder. And you know, you can move it all around. So things that I distribute into these types of folders, those are yours. You can move them. The way to think about this is it's like a notebook. These are tabs. So if you imagine a scribbler, you know, and you have your weather section and your physics section, when you go in there, you just add pages as you see fit, and you can drag and drop things, and you have total control over what that looks like. I can push things into your folders, but you can grab things and move them around as you see fit. Okay, so that is kind of the method of doing that. And once you're done and you've got the sample assignment, you know, loaded into the page the way you want it, you just submit it and you're done. Thanks.